Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing late afternoon update on this Sunday, late July, on this midsummer afternoon in the greater Roseville metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan. It's a gorgeous, hot, and muggy day today, but sunny, beautiful late summer day here in the great state of Michigan, right? No clouds, really, a few high clouds, mostly sunny skies. Duh, right? It's a gorgeous afternoon to be out on the boat, the golf course, or the pool, or barbecue, or a combination of thereof, right? Had some guy, Johnny D, you keep asking about some fucking garbage coin, but obviously you seem to care about it. Centrifuge, CFG. We'll go pull that up for you, my man. You are a loyal follower, and you have random nonsense you always want me to talk about. CFG to Tether. This appears to be the coin you're talking about, and another coin that appears to have just come out onto the market. It appears back. Either it just came onto the market with this, or it just came on the trading view. Either or, we can see clearly defined in the 3-hour time frame. You can see right here, we have that. And that's obviously key uptrending. That was key uptrending support. And a huge thing you notice is big wick. All these big wicks right here. See that? All them big wicks up there. Heavy sell pressure every time it came up in a 3-hour time frame is very bearish, right? Whenever you see huge candle wicks on either side. And you could have very easily diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected this if you weren't being bought into the hype train. And I'm sure that was with this coin, where you can see its major pattern was this rising wedge, right? A rising wedge clearly defined there, right? We'll put some fucking price targets on here for you. You can see you had major overhead support or resistance at 90 cents. And then if we clone that, you had major underneath resistance or support. Overhead resistance at 90 cents, underneath support at like 84 cents. And you finally broke that rising wedge. And my audience knows, and look where you came down to beautifully as the moving averages start coming in. That, I believe, is a 25-day moving average, and you hit that beautifully. You're trying to pump up now. But if I had to guess, with the crashing volume, the rising wedge, and what do we know about rising wedges? The targeted move is the bottom of the wedge, right? So in this centrifuge that Johnny D is looking for, when we put our little boxes down, we can see we do have a shithouse down here. It's a new coin, but there's definitely a shithouse. And the shithouse is actually way down here. Way down there is the shithouse. And we're going to clone this, and we're going to put a target at the bottom of the shithouse, right? This is the shithouse. All the way down there to bankruptcy, right? Is that minus yet? No. Wow, see, look how far you can come down in this fucking coin. There we go. There's the minus. All right, so here is your shithouse, right? All the way down there. And in the middle part of the shithouse, we're going to have that up there, is about 13 cents. We're going to put another box here, which is the get my shit together box. Your last line of defense to the shithouse, right? And we already know that's orange. So we're going to make that orange, right? And you can see we're flirting with that. And the bottom of the wedge is the bottom of the get my shit together box. And we're going to put a price label on that. We're going to clone this up here. And you can see our targeted move out of that rising wedge that broke down. We're going to hang that up there. You can see it's about 64 cents. It was the bottom of the wedge. And I do believe that's where you're going down to. We're just going to have that hanging out over there for now. That's where I do believe you're going to. After this brief bounce up, if we get some more data points in the hour time frame, absolutely. You can see you could have a little bounce as you've broken above the moving averages in the short term. But as high as you're going to get on this pump, even though most of it seems to have taken place already, would be about right there, right? That'd be about as high as you could get on this pump with no volume. That's major overhead resistance, even back to here when the coin came out and pumped, right? So you could come up a little bit more, but you can already see. So you could do something like this and then pop up and hit that, and then you're coming way down. This coin's going to roll over on itself again. It's already starting to come down from, I'm imagining, Johnny D, you started asking me about this coin back there on that wick. So from its wick top to current price, it's down 18%, but I think it's coming down a 40% from its top. I think you're coming down to a 62-cent target initially, and then I believe this coin's going to come way down. And you can see from its high, holy shit, some motherfuckers really got fleece heisted and shisted. Whoever bought this coin at $5, you're never going to get that money back. You're fucked. If you do get it back, it's going to be years. And right now, you're down 86%. Brian Stewart, I'm sure you're in that coin, and I'm sure you're down 86%. Digital Asset Dad, you haven't been asking me about this coin, so you did your own research and you dodged this. And if you liked it, because Digital Asset Dad, you guys need to start taking after what he does. He builds a strategy and sticks to it, and then every now and then he asks for my opinion on a coin that he's already been following and doing his research in as a second opinion or a third or fourth or fifth opinion. But Digital Asset Dad, you seem to be doing it right. You're not so concerned with the day-to-day price. You're more concerned with strategically placed buying opportunities are when you ask questions. And you guys need to be more like him on these coins. Doesn't seem to really be day trading. And he seems to be a solid trader and has a good understanding on how you trade and not get fleece heisted and shisted on momentum, right? But Johnny D is always concerned on these new coins that pop as I hit some hashish and mota. No yayo, just mota, right? But I believe Johnny D is more of the day trader on here because he's always concerned with day-to-day prices and these random new coins that come out, right? And that's that one. And then a guy coin request yesterday for my man. I did XL. I did Matic yesterday, Cardano. I did those. XRP and XDC are the last two that he had. So let's go to XDC. I'm not sure if I did that yesterday for my man. What's his name? Craig Landry. Jarvis Landry or ex-NFL coach, isn't it, with the last name Landry, right? So let's go to XDC. Oh, I did do XDC the other day. I have done extensive work on this. The gold. We need a bounce back in gold. Getting hammered in that, right? I think we're going to bounce back soon. We're above 1,800, which is a key level. So that's good. XDC. Oh, yeah, we did do this. Let's zoom out. Yeah, oh, yeah. We did XDC for you, Mr. Landry. Landry Jones, another quarterback. Let's zoom out. And here's what we're in, Mr. Landry. We're in a head and shoulders in the 4-hour time frame. But if you zoom out to the hour time frame, you can see exactly what we're in. Remember, we call these each time. When it pumped here, we said you were coming down back to that line. The second pump was a fabulous glowing double top, and we said it was coming down. And then when it came back up just now again, but lower, we said it's a seldomly rare scene, but does happen, triple top, and we're going to come back down. And Brian Stewart was giving me all kinds of shit with his faggoty boyfriend, Astroglide. And we told you this was going to come down, and now we're down almost all the way there. Since those big wicks, we're down at current price, 35%. Beautiful call by Vincenzo on our way down to a 50% fall. Because we said we were coming back down. Why do I have two lines down here? We said we were coming back down there, right? What the fuck's all this noise? Who's writing this? Who's logging into my shit, putting all this noise on there? But you can see these short-term moving averages are acting as overhead resistance, and the 5, the 10, and the 25. And now it's hitting as support, the underneath 50, a bigger moving average. And you could come back up like that and then come down. But I think what's going on here is you're about to have a big fall through these moving averages, hit where I have circled on this uptrending support in our triangle consolidation pattern that's been going on since April on its first pump. And everybody thought XDC again. Vincenzo had to calm the rumors down. You guys kept saying this shit was going way the fuck up there, even more. Some of you guys were saying this motherfucker was going way up there, 50, 60, 80, $1 by the end of this year. And I kept telling you, no, this is major overhead resistance, and this coin's going down. The indicators are bearish. And then they pop bullish on that last run, but it's significantly less bullish than back there. You can see here is lower, right? And then its deep depression is even farther than what was barely back there. So this is telling me this is starting to trickle back down. And then you're going to come down and probably go lower than that down there. And that is a very bearish sign, along with the crashing volume is another indicator that we use in our weighted company-made probability-based system, right? But here's what you got going on, Mr. Landry. I want to give you in-depth technical analysis because you are a loyal customer and subscriber and supporter of this channel. And you did donate money to the channel. I think you're coming down to retest, and then you're going to form the right shoulder like that. And then you're going to retest the neckline, and then you're going to break down. And you say, Vincenzo, what's the targeted move out of this fucking head and shoulders? Well, when you come down and you do this in our industry exclusive wavy line pattern, you get the right shoulder to pop right there. We'll do this a little bit better. You crash, then you come up there, and then you come back down, right? And now this yellow line is your neckline, your horizontal neckline, and your targeted move would be from the top of the head to the bottom, to the neckline, to the point of a breakout, and that brings you all the way to the bottom of the shithouse. Obviously, it's not going negative. So what this is telling you is your targeted move is right in there somewhere. You're going to have a massive fall in XDC after you fall down, and then you could have a nice buying opportunity. Remember Quanta, where I told you the head and shoulders where to buy it at 70 and then it popped and where to sell it at 89? This could do the same thing. I didn't play that one, but I'm fucking going to play this one. When it gets down to this uptrending support at the neckline at about 6 cents, play the pop if you're a swing trader. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I telling you to do this, but there's a strong probability that you're going to come up to 0.08-ish, about a 30% push, pump, and then you're going to immediately roll over, and then you're going to break the neckline, and then you're going to come down, right? That's your option one in this coin. Or if you overshoot, you come down, and you come way back up and hit this upper resistance, and then you break that down, and then you're coming to the target. But I think the head and shoulders topping reversal pattern in the daily time frame is where you're at, and you're running back down to the neckline, and then you're going to pop for the right shoulder, and then you're going to break the neckline and confirm the targeted move out of a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern in the daily time frame. And this is, I get all these questions about head and shoulders, and you guys are asking me about things that are not head and shoulders. Like if you look back here, people sit here and try to find head and shoulders in that. That is not a head and shoulders pattern. That's a double top or a right? And arms are topping reversal pattern. See that? That's an right? I mean, it looks like a fucking topping reversal pattern, not a head and shoulders. People come in here and try to say there's head and shoulders in here when they ask me all that. There's no head and shoulders there. You know what I mean? This is a classic daily time frame head and shoulders. You clearly have a left shoulder. See that? You clearly have a head up here, and now you're coming back down, and you're going to form the right shoulder in the future right here that I'm predicting, right? So I don't know where you're getting all this nonsense with these head and shoulders that are not head and shoulders, but Mr. Landry, this is in depth on XDC, and then I believe you had one more that I don't know if I got to yesterday. Itrust capital, so I don't have to pay taxes on. I have a crypto IRA with Itrust capital, so I don't have to pay taxes on gains. Not looking to day trade. Would you mind looking at Itrust list of cryptos? Any suggestions you may have? Thanks. What is that? Itrust list of cryptos. I don't know what that is. Mr. Landry. Is this something I can find on here? Itrust. Sushi swap? I'm not really sure. Usdcoin Itrust government token. I'm guessing this is what you're talking about. If you're not, when you see this, Mr. Jarvis Landry, you can see my neighbors on my Ring doorbell. If this is not what you're talking about, because I don't know what you're talking about, this is the only thing that I can find Let me know, and I will go find out the right one if you can give me the call letters. But I believe this is what you're talking about. And this does not look good. You can see our indicators down there are crashing, right? That's bearish. The volume's almost non-existent in this fucking thing. So I don't know what this is. If this is what you're in, be very careful and cautious. But you're saying it's in your IRA, so it's a long-term play. So you're not day trading this. You're just looking to add into the position. But if you're buying it at the top, there will be better times to buy this. If you're buying up there, you know what I mean? Or if you're just now initially buying this, because this looks like this thing just too came out, something the government's getting in IRAs, some assholes trying to take advantage of the IRA. But if you just bought this, if you look down there, the crashing volume, right? The momentum's dying in all these coins and in this. You can see a beautiful W bottoming reversal pattern down here. See that? This is some other shit you guys try to say is a head and shoulders, and I don't know where you're getting this info from, but this is a W bottoming reversal pattern, and then you see that is beautiful. Now, if you did something like that, you would have a double top or an M bottoming topping reversal pattern. This is a W or a double bottom reversal pattern, right? So I don't know where all these head and shoulders, you guys always asking about these head and shoulders that just aren't there. Head and shoulders are long, typically 3-month long patterns, a reversal, long major reversal patterns in a stock or a commodity or a crypto, not daily and minute time frames. Those are just bullshit moves. A real head and shoulders is a pattern, is a true pattern reversal, and they take usually 3 to 5 months to build out a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern or an inverse head and shoulders bottoming reversal pattern. But what I think is going on in this fucking coin is you're running out of steam. This thing came out when all the hype was going, and it tried to take advantage of some of that. But I don't like the looks of this. I think you're coming way the fuck down. I mean, you guys don't like to hear me say this shit's coming down, but here's your get your shit together box. And I think you're coming down there really fast in this coin. This thing looks like it's about to fall off the map. There's no volume. The buzz in crypto is gone as far as the momentum plays. They're gone. I think you're coming down to $2.28 very fast because you have this you have this rising channel right now, and it looks like it's just broken out of it because this would be your lower support. And then as we clone that, that would have been your upper resistance right there in this last push. See that? And once you break that, the targeted move is the bottom of the wedge. So I think you're coming down here really quick if you're trying to time a play in here. I think you're coming to the bottom of this wedge, $3.22 really fast with our industry exclusive measuring tool. That's an 18% fall. Then you might have a bounce off that. But then I think you're coming down here really fast, right? I think you're going to have a 40% collapse getting into this box. And then I think you got to be very worried about this coin that seems to have came out and tried to take advantage of the hype, right? You could be coming way down here into the shit house, right? The shit house is way down here. And you guys don't want any part of this if you're not in this fucking coin. But as we clone this industry exclusive cloning tool, 92 cents is the start of the shit house. And with this volume, that you need a fucking super monocle to find. This thing's coming down. Like there's just no two ways about it. This coin is not doing this the next 12 months. This coin is doing this the next 12 months. So if you want to buy this, I wouldn't be buying this right now in my IRA. I would wait for it to come down here as my first location to test, and then down here as my second as I proportionally buy in. I'm not buying this, but if you guys want to proportionally buy in, but I would be waiting for the shit house to buy this coin in my IRA because this fucker is coming down there. I would not be buying up there because this is going to roll over and you're going to be down huge because you're FOMOing into some hype. Or if you haven't bought, and you're looking to buy, wait for this to at least test down here. Save yourself fucking 25% because it's coming down here in the next week, Mr. Landry. And that coin, and if that is the right coin, just like this Spark bullshit that I had to look at, I told you this fucking thing was coming down. Took a lot of heat from you guys because I kept telling you this fucking thing was coming down. And look at that. Fucking thing collapsed. Way the fuck down, right? Way down. fucking collapsed, just like Vincenzo told you. And then we gave you our industry exclusive wavy line pattern. Fuck the shit out of there. And we told you where this was going to go right here. Down here, we said in our industry exclusive wavy line pattern, this is where you're going to go. And then you're probably going to break down out of that and spark because that's a pile of shit. I did XDC. We did Quanta. That's about going to wrap it up. There's not really anything going on in the coin market. Let's end out with the gold. The gold bullion market has opened up. It's above 1,800, but barely. We had a big fall on Friday. Big fall. But we're starting to get supported by the moving averages. And we'll see if we can't continue to build up or if we get rejected and we have a major crash in the gold and silver bullion market. I know that Angry Shark is not going to be happy, but yes, Vincenzo's taken a beating in gold and silver stocks, mining stocks recently, but he's not a seller in the mining stocks yet, not anywhere near seller, so he just buys more when they go down. Everybody else is panicking on here, asking questions, but when the shit goes down, Vincenzo accumulates more, and away we go. But that's why I told you the gold and silver bullion market is a very patient, man, and frustrating game to be in. And if you don't have a plan going in and know what you want out of the gold and silver bullion market, you'll get fleece heisted and shisted in this market, and you will sell all the bottoms and you will buy all the tops, right? So this is a thinking man's market and a patience man market, or a woman's market, right? If you're a woman, I'm just saying thinking man because it's just a general term, right? And I don't have any women in my audience, so it really doesn't matter. But you got to be patient in the gold and silver bullion market. Oh, fuck, my foot's asleep. Oh, my foot. Holy shit. Oh, yeah, there we go. Now it's waking up. As my program director, Tiny, is showing. We'll show you him right now. See him? Look at him. Look at that fucking thing. Come here. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here. Come on. Come here, program director. Here's the other one that he doesn't like. That's my mom's cat that she refuses to take back to her house. But apparently she's going to do that soon because I don't really like cats. And he's just a nuisance, right? He likes to be pet, or she likes to be pet. But she needs to go back home to my mother's house because it is her cat. But there's your program director, Mr. Tiny. Yup, see him? He's very patient in the gold and silver bullion market. And he supports my decision to buy that and talk about it on this channel. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace.